Hello everyone, my name is Naveen Verma. This is lecture about Linux command. In this lecture, we will discuss about file command, mkdir command, grep command, egrep command. First of all, I will start with file command. In file command is used to determine type of a file. In Linux operating system, there are various kinds of file available in this Linux, like symbolic link, tar file, zip file, text file, directory, etc. By using file command, we can check file type. The syntax of file command is file, option, file name. Here option is mentioned for attributes and file name is file name, file location. Now I am take example. This is my Linux machine. I run the command. I check the file type. There are test file. This is empty file. This is I run the command file test. File is command and test is file name. The output is test and empty. Test is file name and empty file is empty. Now I check another file. Test1. This is file name and this is file format, text file. If you want to print only file format, then you will use attribute with file command. File -b test1. This print only file format. File -b test. I check the file test, then file is empty. If you want to check all file types in a particular location, I will check on root desktop file star. There are two files. One is test and second one is test1. The another way to check the files on particular location, then file, the location is where log star. This is output. I check. I'm currently available on root desktop, but I want to check files on other location. Then I run the command file where log star. Now another command is mkdir. Mkdir stands for make directory. It allows user to make a new directory. If you want to create a new directory, then we will use mkdir command. The syntax of command is mkdir option directory name. Here option is mentioned for attributes. We take example. This is my Linux machine. I want to create a directory on /location data. I create the directory data. So I check directory is created or not. File /data. See, I created the directory data. Data is available /data directory. If you want to create multiple directory on a single command. Date, time, year, and location is slash. Then again run the command file. See there, one file is date, this is date, time and year. 3 different directories created in a single command. If you want to create directory on multiple directory with a number of series, location is slash data and 2 6 see file is created or not, directory created, yeah, directory is created, data 2, data 3, data 4, data 5, data 6. I run the command mkdir slash data 2.6. This command used for means I want to create data, I want to create directory with data name and numeric series 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now next command is, if I want to create nested folder, nested directory, then I use mkdir -p. I want to create data A1, A2, A3. This is called nested folder, nested directory. See, I created directory in data folder. Data ls. Then one directory is created in data folder A1, so I move in A1. Then one folder is available in A1, A2, ls. See, I'm logging in A2. ls. See, I created the nested directory till A3. This is all about mkdir command. Now next command is grep command. It is used to search any pattern or any string from a file or any command output. If you want to search any particular word in a file or any particular pattern in a file, then we will use grep command. The syntax of grep command is grep option pattern file name. Now I will take an example. Suppose I want to search root in etc password file. There are two lines in which root keyword is mentioned. The lines are, this is my output. I run the command. If you want to I want to search with attributes, I am using -n root. I want to search root keyword etc password. There are two lines available in this file, line 1 and line 10, in which root is mentioned. There are various attributes. grep -c. I want to search root etc password. There are two lines in which root keyword is mentioned. With the help of C, it shows there are two lines. This is my command output. I am using another keyword, grep -v. V is used for verbose. etc password. This command, I want to search I want to search in etc password file in which root is not mentioned. This is command output. This prints those lines in which root int is not available. I want to search those lines which start with root. grep -root etc password. There are single line in which line is start with root. I am using another attribute, grep -bash. I am using dollar attribute. With the help of dollar attribute, we can search which line. We can search that line which will end with bash. There are two lines which are finished with bash. So there are various attributes that having grep command. See, there are various attributes. We can customize the command as per our requirement. Now next command is egrep command. It is used to search multiple keywords from a file or any command output. It is similarly work as grep command, but in grep command we can search only single keyword. But if you want to search multiple keywords, then we will use egrep command. The syntax of egrep command is similarly to grep command. Syntax is egrep, option, pattern and file name. If you want to search multiple keywords in a file, then we will use egrep. For example, egrep. I want to search multiple keyword root, NTP, etc password file. There are 3 lines in which root and NTP is mentioned. If you want to search another keyword root pipe symbol NTP bash in etc password file. These are my command output. In this command I will search root, NTP and bash, these keywords. The line at then command output is on my screen. Okay, thank you. It's all about